You know, guys, companies today don't run one big program. They run hundreds of small ones, all at once. Each program gets packed into a box called a container. The code plus everything it needs to run. Now, the problem, boxes crash. They crash always at 3 in the morning, yes? Never at lunch, never. So, who restarts them? Who watches hundreds of boxes? You are sleeping. That is what Kubernetes is for. Kubernetes is a manager for your containers. It's Greek for captain of a ship. And here is how it works. You don't give it orders. You give it a wish. You write, I want 5 copies of my app running always. And Kubernetes makes it true forever. A copy crashes at 3 a.m., Kubernetes starts a fresh one immediately. It doesn't call you, it doesn't complain, it just fixes it. Black Friday and suddenly 10 times the shoppers. It adds more copies. Sunday night everybody's gone. It shrinks back down. You stop paying for air. New version of your app, it swaps the boxes one at a time and nobody notices. Now, how does one program manage all of that? Kubernetes glues a bunch of computers into one giant computer called a cluster. You throw boxes at the cluster and it finds room for every single one. Like a Tetris champion, except the blocks are your programs. By the way, the boxes usually come from a tool called Docker. Docker packs the boxes, Kubernetes bosses them around. Now, do you need Kubernetes? Honestly, probably not yet. One app on one server, you're fine. Go live your life. But hundreds of boxes on 20 machines, you don't hire a guy. You hire Kubernetes. It never sleeps and it works for free. Thanks for watching.